Okay, Kipster, so I'm trying this new thing where I am recording and kind of showing you through this video to kind of help you out in maneuvering Google Classroom and to show you what you need to do. So right here, if you look where it says upcoming, it kind of tells you the assignments that you'll have. Right here where it's stream, this is specifically for announcements of what you need to do and where you need to go to do that. Classwork is where we'll post up all your assignments that you need to complete, and they have due dates. So for example, if you click this one, this is the one you should have got at school yesterday or today, and if you didn't, that's okay. You'll just click this because I uploaded it. When you click that, it'll have these PDF documents which you can't edit. So for example, right here it says day 1, you'll select that, and it'll be the reading and passages with the questions for today. Now, in order to answer this, you'll need to go back, so hit this arrow here. And you will need to, well, you'll click View Assignments. Right here it says Your Work. These are the documents that you'll need to turn in. Obviously, I made an account with my son's name. So, let's move on from there. So, for day 1, you'll need to click the document that also says Day 1 Packet. So, this is day 1. So, this is for you to write the gist for that first passage to Kill a Mockingbird, the second passage. Answer your multiple choice questions here, and if there's a free response below, you'll just start typing your response here, and I'll read that later, and I'll give you comments on your work. And when you're done, you'll just click turn in at the top, okay, like so. And any minute now, let's see what it says. So once you've turned in something, it'll tell you, it'll notify me that you turned it in, and I'll grade it. I'll send you with comments, and you can check later. If you need the instructions, you go here, student work. Oh wait, this is mine. Whoops. So yeah, so when you're done, you'll turn it all in. We'll have comments here between you and I if you need to, as far as work-related issues or questions you may have. And yeah, that's it for right now. So hopefully this video is helpful for those of you trying to maneuver Google Classroom. If you have any questions, you can text me, obviously. So yeah, stay safe and hope everyone's well. Bye.